A quick thank you to say thank you for purchasing from Big Boots UK. You supported a small family business. Okay, now on to the tips for the zips. Tip for the boots is making sure when you put the boot on and take the boot off, the zip is all the way down. And the reason is because if you do not put the zip all the way down, you are going to create stress on the teeth here, which are going to then pull apart and break. Now that is the number one reason our boots come back under warranty, is because of the zip teeth breaking around the bottom of the boot. It's because people aren't taking the zip all the way down when they're putting the boots on and off. The second tip we give is if any dirt or debris gets in the boot or on the zip, just give it a bit of a brush, because we don't want any foreign objects being on there to stop the zip going down. So you will if you force the zip, it means you'll probably snap it off. We don't want that. So make sure you get a brush and brush stuff off if it gets any foreign debris. And number three, every now and then it's probably worth getting a brush and a tiny little bit of oil and just running it down the zip, just so you can get some glide within the zip. It will just help it move freely up and down, because obviously over the years there's going to be a lot of stuff on there, but we recommend just giving it a bit of a brush. Thank you again for supporting our small business. We really appreciate it. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot me a call or send me an email at ryan@bigboots.co.uk. Cheers.